The long-distance champion of laser control card is here. LYP-E4. 200-meter network cable still works. Now let me show you.
Ready, go!
50M network cables are connected one by one. Let's see if this laser control card will fail. Query the board and display the status of 4 devices in real time. What's even more amazing is the simultaneous marking. Look, I'll press all here to start marking. Laser equipment working together. Simultaneous light emission. Batch production efficiency is maximized, and multi-station and multi-surface marking can be completed. Ultra-long distance, synchronous and efficient. This is LYP-E4.